Alright, let's talk about the Oppo Find N5 and its global availability. This foldable is turning heads for all the right reasons. First off, it's insanely thin, just 4.21 millimeter when unfolded, making it the world's slimmest book-style foldable. Then there's the display, a massive 8.12-inch inner screen that's virtually crease-free, with support for the Oppo Pen, sold separately. And despite its slim profile, it packs a surprisingly large battery. But here's the big question, where can you actually buy one? If you're in Asia, you're in luck. The Find N5 is rolling out in those regions, with Singapore getting it first on February 28, 2025. Pre-orders are already live in Malaysia and Singapore, and more countries should follow soon. Now, what about Europe and the US? Unfortunately, the Find N5 won't be officially launching in the US for the foreseeable future. While there's a possibility of a European release down the line, it's not on the horizon just yet. That said, there's still a way to get your hands on one. Third-party importers might be your best bet, but before we get into that, let's quickly go over rest of the specs. Under the hood, the Find N5 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, Oppo's binned version featuring one less performance core. It comes with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage in the global variant. The titanium flexion hinge ensures a smooth, durable folding experience, while ColorOS 15 brings enhanced multitasking features and 5 years of security updates. Camera-wise, it's well equipped with a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide, so you're covered for all kinds of shots. It packs a larger 5600 mAh battery with 50-watt wireless and 80-watt wired charging support too. Now, back to availability. If you really want one, you'll have to go through third-party importers like Average Dad Tech or Giztop. Just keep in mind that Chinese variants may have app compatibility issues. So the best option, the global variant, which comes with single model of 16 plus 512 gigs of storage, available in black or white. Average Dad Tech is offering a version with full Google Play services support, but warranty and after-sales support might be tricky depending on your region. If you're thinking about importing, do your research before pulling the trigger. Some importers may offer limited warranties or support that might not be as comprehensive as what you'd expect from a domestic release. Therefore, if you decide to go down the import route, be sure to thoroughly research the importer's reputation, warranty terms, and return policies before making your purchase. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.